For Agnistambhasana, you place your left leg like this and take your right leg over your left leg. And what this does again is open out your hips, and it gives a good stretch to your thigh, the outer part of your thigh. It is called Agnistambhasana because it looks like logs of fire placed one on top of the other.
Begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times.
From here, we're going to get our right leg all the way to the outside of your right palm. Descend your left knee onto the mat, toes out, and come up all the way into a low lunge. And look up if you can. And from warrior one, so just observe in one, your hands are tall and nice, creating length in your back. And for number two, nothing changes in your lower body. Your lower body is just grounded and stable, no movement, literally no movement. And from here, for number two, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment. And stay here for a couple of deep breaths. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Placing your hands on your hips, you're bending forward and trying to place the crown of your head on the mat. So your hands can be placed on the mat in front of you, or it can be placed on your hips, or you can place it, you can hook your toes with it, or you can interlock your fingers behind you and let it hang. So each of these postures will give you different benefits, so you can try all of them. Coming up, releasing from the posture.
Take your right knee in between your hands and stretch your left leg out, okay? To stretch your left leg out, tuck your toes, pull your leg out, pull the knee back and then stretch. Again tuck, pull and then stretch your ankle out, okay? See to that you don't do this tilting, then your arch will not be more. Press the palm on your butt and then push your thigh muscles down towards the mat. Place your palms in between your legs and then push your palms, drop your neck down. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths nicely.